Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to Mustang Mania. As I told you guys in the last upload, I'm gonna be doing install videos. So here you go guys. Today I'm gonna be installing wheel spaces on my front wheels. As you can see, my rears fitment is pretty good as it's lowered and I've got 25mm spaces in the back, but the fronts don't look good at all because it's lowered and it tucks in really bad. So I'm gonna put 20mm spaces in the front, and let's hope that I get a good look out of it. You can see that the fitment isn't good at all right now. Look at that. It looks like a staggered setup right now. So let's fix it. I'll see you guys once the car is jacked up. There you go guys. The car is all jacked up from this side, and I've already taken out 4 of the lug nuts. 1 more to go. And in case you guys are wondering what the spacer looks like, here it is. It's a 20mm spacer as I told you guys. So let me take the wheel off and then I'll show you what it looks like. The wheel is now off and let's put the spacer on. So once you hear that click noise, it's on there, and we gotta put the bolts on now. Now I've put all the bolts on there. You have to put it in a star pattern. So first this, then that, and then that and that. That lets it sit flush with the axle basically. And now I'm going to use my torque wrench to torque it down to 100 pound-feet. Okay. All the lug nuts are tightened up right now. And now it's time to throw the wheel back on and see how it looks like. There you go, the wheel is now on, but the car is still on jack stands, and as you can see it's fitting really good. It's going to tuck in once I drop it. And let's see how it looks like. I'm going to drop it now. There you go guys, the car is now dropped, and oh my god, do I love this fitment. Look at that, it's like perfect. This one's sitting flush and that one's a little bit aggressive, and I love the look. Just look at how it looks like. The little poke in the front. Oh my god, do I love this fitment. Wow, I'm so happy with it. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. I'm not going to bore you guys with the same thing, so I'll catch you when both the side is done. Alright, see you guys. Okay guys, I'm done with both the sides now, and it looks really good. Just look at how amazing that fitment came out. Both the sides look perfect. And now I'm gonna go take it out for a test drive and hope everything stays together, and I'll catch you guys at the end of that. There you go guys, I've taken the test drive and it basically feels like it used to feel, so that's a good sign, and I couldn't be happier with the results. It looks amazing basically. And so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.